The battle in the summer ultra-high performance tyre segment just got a lot more interesting. The all-new Kumho Ecsta Sport just shocked the industry by beating the Continental Sport Contact 7 in wet braking by 6%. But can it pull off another upset against a well-established Michelin Pilot Sport 5? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 D-Reifen Tester Summer Tyre Test. Let's start with wet conditions. The Kumho Ecsta Sport outperforms the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 in wet braking, stopping 1.3 meters sooner, a 6% shorter braking distance. On wet handling, Kumho takes the lead again with a higher subjective rating, scoring 5 out of 5 versus Michelin's 3 out of 5, this translating to a 10% difference. However, Michelin claws back in straight-line aquaplaning, maintaining traction slightly better at 78.2 km/h, a 0.3 km/h edge over Kumho. On dry roads, Kumho again stops 0.3 meters shorter, giving it a 1% braking advantage. But where it really shines is handling, earning a perfect 5 out of 5 subjective rating, while the Pilot Sport 5 only managed a 4 out of 5 rating, translating to a 5% difference. In noise and comfort, it's a tie. Both the Pilot Sport 5 and Ecsta Sport score 4 out of 5 in ride comfort and interior noise. No clear winner, both deliver a refined experience. How about fuel efficiency? The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is 3% better, with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 8.86 compared to Kumho's 9.13. This means that the Pilot Sport 5 is slightly more fuel efficient in the long run. Now let's talk about price, where things get really crazy. The Kumho Ecsta Sport comes in at 62% lower price than the Michelin Pilot Sport 5, making it an incredible value for the level of performance it delivers. So, who wins? If you're looking for the best pure performance in both wet and dry conditions, the Kumho Ecsta Sport is the clear winner. It outbrakes, outhandles, and costs 62% less than the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. On the other hand, if longevity and fuel efficiency are your priorities, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 might still hold an edge.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.